Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix something went wrong in your ChatGPT. So if you have ever gotten this error in your ChatGPT that something is wrong, it's usually caused by temporary server issue or, for example, problem with your network. So let's go through fixes. First of all, let's go to browser and you have to search OpenAI status. Let's go to this page, and if there's an outage, you will need to wait until it is resolved. As you can see, that OpenAI is fully operational, so that means that it's not the problem with server. So next, what you want to do is check your internet connection. You have to switch between Wi-Fi and also mobile data. And additionally, you can try turning on airplane mode for 10 seconds and then turn off. After this, you want to foreclose ChatGPT application and then reopen it once again. So swipe up from the bottom and then close ChatGPT like this and then open it one more time, reopen it. As well, you need to update your ChatGPT. So open App Store and let's go to this search section at the bottom side of the screen. Type ChatGPT and check if your ChatGPT is updated to the latest version. And last but not least is that you can try reinstalling ChatGPT application. So you want to delete it by long pressing ChatGPT icon, then select delete app and then confirm. And then what you want to do is reinstall it once again from your app store. So here you will see a download button and try if that works. So I hope after completing those fixes, your ChatGPT now should work again. So if this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and see you in the next one.